Now wow, wele. This one no be small matter oh my people. Jesus. How man we born pikin go jogodo im own pikin again. Me dem dey talk say this thing dey happen. I never still believe say this thing dey really dey happen. Na dey see this small pikin belle. The way this man take pack okra full the pikin belle. My people make una reason this matter with my people. This one shock me well well. This one shock me like say tomorrow no dey oh. How papa wey born pikin go dey jogodo im own pikin again? How the thing even take dey sweet the papa sef? I no even understand. Like pikin wey you born oh, na you born this pikin and you go still come jogodo this pikin again. Hey, if you wan jogodo, say jogodo dey hungry you, you no get woman, maybe your wife no dey or your wife don kpeme, you wan jogodo, women full outside wey you go go carry go jogodo, or you fit just go okpomeniki place like this, use money take go jogodo for them. No be your small pikin wey you get for house go come dey hungry you. Whether this one na swear dey swear for the man o, or get wetin dey use the man o, or get wetin push the man, I no know, because many of them, if they don do this kind thing finish, they go say na something na push me wey make me go do am, no be my too clear eye. But the time when they dey do the jogodo, na their eye they know, that they use their eye, now they use their hand, they put their cassava for inside the honey pot. They know that time o. But when the matter don burst out, they go come talk say na they no know, na hard work of devil. Una go dey use una hand dey cause wahala, una go dey put life for devil wey sit down in you say na hard work of devil. My people, una go hear wey this girl take narrate the way the matter take happen. Even the man sef no even get shame to take talk. Make I still explain small in case if I go put this the video make una watch am, una go still hear, but I go cut some place comot too, because some place wey the man for talk, the talk no good, so I go cut those place comot for the video. But the girl go explain better. I believe say the girl wey she take explain, e explain well, but the man own command dey wey the man take talk the word. Jesus, this thing shock me my people. When I see this video, I say so tey you come jogodo this pikin, you come give am okra. As you don give this pikin okra like this, any man wey don jogodo im own pikin, that pikin life no dey better again. That pikin life no dey better again. I don see one, when I tell una I dey Nigeria, I don see one man, one dirty man wey dey jogodo all im pikin. All that man pikin no better, all of them just dey frustrate. My people, this man wetin this man do? So thank God say they still catch am. No quick and take run before police now come hold am. Na police custody this man dey, as una dey see am so. This Igbo man wey put mask for face like where goat for carry kettle for face. E be like where goat for use head carry kettle. This man so, as e just dey foolish like this, so na im pikin kpenkus na come sweet am pass. Another one no dey again wey go jogodo, except say na this pikin own. My people, make I narrate the way the story take happen small, the way the girl take explain am. According to the girl, she say she dey house one day, her sister boyfriend come ask of her sister no dey house. She come like dey tell the boy say her sister no dey house. She and the boy just dey discuss normal discuss o. She say she and the boy no get anything, because na still small girl. He say before you know, the papa just come outside for inside room o, say as you small reach, you just dey follow man. Who give you the audacity to follow man? Who give you the right to follow man? Na say so she say na there the man come dey, the papa come dey like dey shout for her, dey maltreat her, dey kpons her anyhow. The man even use im own mouth take talk am say na cutlass na im take flog the girl that night. He flog am well well with cutlass. He pee body with cutlass. Say why you go stand with man? As you small reach, you don dey follow man. The girl come say no, no be boyfriend o, na him sister. the man fine come o, no be she o, she just like to just dey discuss with her normal discussion like that, soft like that. They no know say this man high don dey die for a pikin, like he don dey trip for a pikin, he don dey dombale for the pikin, he don dey spin the pikin small small, but the pikin never know. Like he don get interest, he no wan make the pikin even stand with any man at all. If you just see the pikin with any man, you go just dey vex. You no wan see the pikin with any man. E be like, you know na when boy now dey toast girl, he like the girl well well, the girl na never fit talk to the girl, but he dey trip for the girl. When you go see another guy man dey toast the girl, the guy go dey vex for the girl sef. The girl go dey even dey like, wetin this boy dey vex for me for? Me and this boy be no get anything o, why you come dey vex for me? Na so this man oyo be so. If you just see this pikin with any boy, if the pikin even comot for house, she say if she even comot for house sef, she go come, this man go carry cutlass flog am well well. Where you go? As you small reach, you don dey follow man. I never tell you make you never dey follow man say you never reach. As you how old you dey sef? Who dey dey born you? Na so wey this man dey tell the pikin. So this pikin say the day wey the man use cutlass flog am well well, then she come run comot for house o. As she come run, she come go her sister place. She say na her sister place she go. So he say during the day she come still come back based on say she dey fear the kind papa wey born am, because na so cutlass e take dey flog am. So she dey fear make no come still flog am again. So she say as she come back that night, na so wey the man come tell am say, the papa so come ask am say where you go? He say she come tell papa say she go his sister side, your aunty side o. Na the papa come say na lie, no be the aunty side you go, na man you go see. As you small reach, I never fit tell you say you never reach. Sorry guys, I never fit tell you say you never reach to dey follow man. Oya, put your this thing wey you wear, make I test am, make I see if you don dey follow man. Jesus. Now I say na this man na be doctor. Only you wan test your pikin kpenkus, you wan know whether cassava don dey pass that road. Hey God, some fathers this one no be devil work una, dem dey use their hand, dey use their hand dey draw problem dey come to their self. Na this kind man na dey deceive people wife o. This kind man so e go just deceive person wife, the person go now just pursue him husband comot for body. As you see this man face wey be like goat face so God forgive me, as him face be like goat wey use head carry kettle, na so wey this man face just be so. So na this man come say make the pikin pull am, make he test am, make he see whether cassava don dey enter there o. The pikin say she come dey fear, na so wey she come pull am. According to this man wey do face like goat, according to this goat man, he say na he come tell am say make he climb bed. As he climb bed, na there he just fire am, na there he use like, na there he start dey do am kelewawa. Hey, now say Jesus. As this man talk am with him own mouth sef, say he do him pikin kelewawa. Hey God, now say as he just talk that word, now say hey, so you really do your pikin kelewawa? At least na joke matter, maybe the pikin wan even forge am for him head. When I first dey hear wey the pikin first dey narrate the story, because na the pikin first narrate the story. So before the man come narrate, I feel say maybe the pikin wan just like put am for the man head, for the papa head somehow. So before the papa come use the man take talk, now say na him jogodo the pikin. He say make he climb bed, make him test am, na him jogodo am. Na wow, my people, things dey happen. God have mercy. Like this small pikin now we come carry this thing give now uncle. How this pikin go take face in your life? And the pikin say na him aunty wey him tell, through him aunty come go tell the village people. The village people now na come draw their leg come this a police custody. So now we don catch the man, so I believe say go get sense. My people, thank you for watching. God bless all of you. Make I put the video make una hear, but I go comot some place from inside. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Met me with a boy, but the guy was not actually my friend. He was looking for my sister. So I was talking to him to tell him that my sister is not around. So he met me that very day and flogged me that night and asked me why I was standing with the guy. So I ran away to my sister's place. So when I came back, he asked me, why am I standing with the boy? I told him. He said, why am I feeling to be? Why did I think that I'm grown up to be standing with a boy? I told him nothing. He said I should pull off my clothes. I did, so that he's not going to beat me. So when he asked me, I was begging him to leave me, that I will not do it again. So the next day he came back, as he said, that he did not see me in the house. So when I came back, he asked me where I went to, and I told him where I went to. So that night he said that I should climb up the bed. Then I did so. So he slept with me that night. And when he slept with me, after some months, during December time, I discovered that I was pregnant, and I did not tell him. I went on telling my aunties. So when he knew, he asked me as in he took me to a maternity and checked me, and it was true, I was pregnant. Then he asked me who is responsible for the pregnancy. I did not tell him because I was scared of him. So I have to go on telling my aunties. And when my aunties heard about it, so my sister took me to her friend so that the guy can help me, so that I can abort do the baby abortion. So when we went there, the guy asked me what happened as a friend to my sister. So I told him what happened and how I got pregnant. So the guy, I don't know that the guy was recording the thing on his phone. So when I came back, so after some months, I started hearing from my villagers I started hearing what I've told the boy from my villagers. So they have to take me to the king's palace, and I told them what happened.
My name is Uchenna Ebuchulen.
Okay, you are from where?
I'm from Enduhu, Alenyabu.
Okay, tell us the whole truth about this. How did it happen?
It happened the day I called my daughter with a man. That day I was provoked. I look at her at her younger age. Are you up to being used by a man? She ran away. When she came back, I told her, how many years are you? And she said, I said, then what makes you to feel as if you are a big girl? Pull off your clothes. And she pulled off her clothes. I said, now what makes you feel to be a big girl? She started begging me, and I leave her to go. That is the first day I used a mattress to flog her, but I did not touch her. Then another day, when I come back in the night, around that kind of after 10 or 11 in the night, I came into the house and she was nowhere to be found. I started waiting until when she comes back. I say, so you still want to spoil yourself? Look, I want to know why and what makes you to be a woman. That is when this victim comes up. I was not with a machete that day.
Which issue come up? Tell us the issue.
You slept with her.
Yes.
How did you do that? Tell us, how did you do that?
So I asked her to climb on top of the bed. She climbed up.